Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install KB5094127 or KB5098815 on your Windows 10 computer. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update and then click on check for update. If you see retry option, hit retry. Still not working, here you can see pause update option, you can hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, we can try to install the game and try to install Windows Update. Still not working. Now if the scans are stuck, you can try the next step. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5094127 over here, or KB5098815. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write on the name of the update over here. I don't know why this is not opening. Yes, so over here type in KB5094127 over here, search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Now in my case, it's version 22H2. Now check your system type. Now for this, you can go to home and then you can go to system and then you can scroll down and then click on about option over here. And for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 10 version 22H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. Click on download and then click on the update. You will see the update KB50. Microsoft website is giving me trouble. So if in my case it's giving me trouble, so you will see KB5094127 over here. Click on it and then you can download it, install it, restart your PC and then check. You can install this update manually. Now still not working, you can close all third-party application and services. Make sure only the update is running, rest you can close everything. Uninstall third-party anti-cheat program. Like if you have Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC, and then check. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website here you can see media creation tool. So click on download now over here, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on accept over here, and then here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 10. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.